Mastering Python Context Managers, Advanced Techniques Explained. In this video, we will explore advanced techniques for creating and using Python context managers. You'll learn to implement custom context managers for efficient resource handling. Welcome to our deep dive into Python context managers. Did you know that mastering context managers can drastically improve the efficiency and readability of your code? In this video, we'll explore advanced techniques that will empower you to handle resources like files, network connections, and database connections cleanly and effectively. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand how to use context managers but also craft your own for seamless resource management.
The with statement in Python is a powerful tool that simplifies resource management, ensuring that resources are automatically released after their use. This block will unravel how the with statement works, focusing on its ability to prevent memory leaks and enhance code readability. We'll examine common use cases, such as file operations, where the with statement is most beneficial. Imagine opening a file without worrying about closing it. That's the magic of with. By using with, you ensure that cleanup code is always executed, making your programs robust and error-resistant.
Creating custom context managers using classes provides a flexible way to handle resource management in your applications. This block focuses on the importance of defining the _enter_ and _exit_ methods. The _enter_ method is responsible for setting up the resource, and the _exit_ method ensures its proper cleanup. We'll delve into practical coding examples that demonstrate how you can manage database connections, lock files, or even manage network sockets with ease. Custom context managers make your code more modular and reusable, encapsulating resource management logic in a clean and understandable way.
The Contextlib module in Python is a treasure trove for developers looking to streamline the creation of context managers. This module provides utilities to simplify resource management tasks, with the Contextlib.context decorator being a standout feature. This decorator allows you to create context managers using generator functions, offering a concise way to implement setup and teardown logic. We'll explore how to leverage Contextlib for advanced resource management scenarios, making your code cleaner and more efficient. By the end of this block, you'll be adept at using Contextlib to enhance your coding workflow. Exception handling is a critical aspect of programming, and it's essential to manage exceptions gracefully within context managers. In this block, we'll cover how to handle exceptions using try-except blocks within the _exit_ method. This ensures that resources are cleaned up even if an error occurs during their use. We'll also discuss strategies for dealing with multiple exceptions and share best practices for writing robust and error-resistant code. By mastering exception handling within context managers, you'll be able to create applications that not only work well but also handle errors gracefully.
Managing multiple resources simultaneously can be a daunting task, but Python context managers make it easier. This block covers techniques for coordinating multiple resources using nested with statements and other strategies. We'll explore real-world examples where simultaneous management is crucial, such as handling multiple file streams or network connections. By mastering these tips and tricks, you'll be able to reduce code complexity and avoid resource conflicts, ensuring that your applications run smoothly and efficiently. Writing effective context managers requires adhering to best practices that ensure reliability and maintainability. This block highlights key practices such as keeping your context managers simple and clear, ensuring that resources are properly released, and avoiding side effects that could impact other parts of your application. We'll also discuss the importance of thoroughly testing your context managers and documenting their usage and limitations. By following these best practices, you'll create context managers that are robust, easy to use, and a valuable asset to your development projects.
Context managers are not just a theoretical concept, they are widely used in real-world applications. In this block, we'll explore practical examples and use cases where context managers shine. From file handling and database connections to managing network sockets and creating custom logging solutions, context managers provide a clean and efficient way to manage resources. We'll also discuss how they can be integrated with third-party libraries to enhance functionality. These real-world examples will give you a clear understanding of the versatility and power of context managers in Python development.
Congratulations on completing this deep dive into Python context managers. We've covered everything from the basics to advanced techniques, equipping you with the knowledge to become a context manager pro. Remember, mastering context managers is crucial for writing clean, efficient, and error-resistant code. We encourage you to practice these concepts in your projects and explore new ways to leverage context managers. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts, share this video with fellow developers, and subscribe for more Python content. Your engagement helps boost algorithm performance, bringing educational content to more learners.